welcome back to Life Princess Size with Pallavi. I'm Pallavi and I'm here to give you all the Shadi Gyan that you need. And I do apologize for being so late with this particular video, but I promise I'm going to make it up to you with some really cool stuff that I want to tell you today. So this is just going to be a quick video to give you a heads up on what you need to be doing this week to get ready for your wedding at the end of this year and all the things that you should be doing. I hope that your venue is booked by now, you've met with your caterer, your decorators, your event planners if you have any, and that you've gotten a hold of who's going to make your card and what your card is going to look like. And now today we're going to talk about one very important factor of your wedding, and that is your bridal outfit. So here's this quick video to tell you about the main important offer this week, where I think all of you should definitely go in and see, but I'm going to tell you that in just a bit. But first I have a little bit of advice for you. So like I said right at the beginning, this channel is not going to be about any wedding must-dos, to-dos, but this is just going to be about me sharing my experiences with you and hoping that those can help you out, make better decisions for yourself, and at the same time save money and get exactly what you want. So here's a tip that I wanted to share with you. This is rather a discovery that my friends and I made over the course of many months of research, over the course of many years now. And so we've all, anybody in Delhi who's getting married has to make that trip to Chandni Chowk, Karol Bagh, and slog and go through the heat and visit 10-20 showrooms, waste multiple days. But so of course we did that as well. And here's what we found out. So Chandni Chowk stores have also become extremely expensive today. So if you're going looking for a first copy of a Sabya or a Manish, for example, you will not get anything for less than 80 to 90,000 rupees if you're looking for something great. Now, most of the brides that I know want a fabulous wedding in a budget and are not willing to spend a lakh plus on their outfits. So let's say your budget for your main bridal outfit is somewhere between the range of 60 to 80,000. And you go to one of these Chandni Chowk shops like Om Prakash Jawaharlal, or you go to Anarkali, Karol Bagh, and all these, and they really make you wait a lot, and you're ordering something completely at your own risk, and they come at a hefty price tag of around 80,000, and they won't even stitch your blouses. So in my opinion, I found that to be a complete waste of time and energy. And after a lot of due diligence and research, here's what I found, that a lot of the small to medium kind of designers who are well known, however not the Sabyasachi, Manish Malhotra type of level, are much more affordable and give you much better bang for your buck and more amazing quality and fabulous styling. So in my opinion, rather than going to all those Chandni Chowk type of stores, it makes a lot more sense to visit boutique designers or go in for Lakme Fashion Week type designers who are not that big yet have a name for themselves and have a great aesthetic sense. So here's my tip for you. Make sure that you go to all the multi-designer stores. Go to Ogan, go to Aza, go to Ensemble, go to Anantam, and these are the 4 stores that I have found to be very helpful when it comes to your wedding shopping. Now, the typical perception would be that all these places are going to be very expensive, and we won't really be able to find something over there. So I wanted to share a personal experience. For my engagement outfit, I went to Shahpur Jat like most of us do, because again I didn't want to spend a bomb, and I was looking at something under 30,000 for my engagement outfit. So we went to Shahpur Jat and again saw those 10-20 designers and nearly finalized on this one piece. And it was a very pretty piece, but it was still nothing striking, and I couldn't wrap my head around paying 30,000 for an outfit that was made entirely out of net. You know how much that irritates me, and I'm sure that irritates most of you Delhi girls. Paying an obscene amount of money for net and polyester and synthetic is a big no-no in my dictionary. So just on an off chance, we decided to visit Emporio Mall in Vasant Kunj, DLF Emporio, which has some of the biggest and best designers from India and the world over. And on the top floor of DLF Emporio is the multi-designer store called Ogan. And we walked in, and in fresh, mind you, this was not even during sale season, I found a beautiful Anushri Reddy outfit for the same amount of money that I was paying a non-famous designer in Shahpur Jat for a net outfit. For the same amount of money, I found a beautiful Anushri Reddy outfit that was flowing, that was stylish, that was something very unique and was not net. So what I want to tell you guys is that you must give it a shot, do your bit of research, go put in that legwork, and just go to these put in your legwork and go to these stores that have a curated selection of some amazing designers for all price ranges. So here is the big piece of news for this week. Tomorrow, that is the 20th of June 2017, Ogan is starting its preview sale. So all you brides-to-be who are getting married this year, my suggestion is you head right there, and you never know when you might get lucky. And here's another tip for all your sale shopping. Most of these big designer studios, stores, in their sale time, shut and lock their try rooms. I do not understand why. But I think they just make you want to feel like you're not spending the full amount of money, so you're not going to get the whole experience. But to who cares if you're going to get a 1,20,000 rupee lehenga for 60,000? I think it's totally worth it. So here's my tip. Make sure you wear like a spaghetti and some tight clothing that is body fitting, because you will have to try on that lehenga over what you're already wearing. That is allowed, but going to the try room and trying the outfit is not allowed. So make sure you wear a solid color, make sure you do a bit of makeup before you go, and just go, be there bright and early, grab those lehengas that you like, try them on, and hopefully you'll get lucky and you'll be able to find your dream outfit at half the price at one of these designer stores. And as an aside tip quickly, while you're already out, all the big brands, the high street brands like Zara, H&M and all of those are on sale right now. So remember that along with all your bridal Indian wear, you do need your Western trousseau as well. So make sure you don't forget that, and while the sale season is on, maximize on that. Go out, hunt for your outfits, and I'm going to get back to you with lots more exciting shadi tips. So right now, I just want you to rush out and go find your bridal outfit. And coming up very soon on Life Princess Eyes with Pallavi is a series of videos with photographers, with some of the best photographers in this wedding industry, who are going to tell you exactly how you should pick your photographer, what you need to do. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comments on what you want to know. I'm going to be back soon with lots more. Ciao!